Hey, what's up? Here's a 66 C10 Stepside I picked up recently. I wanted to try and document progress as I work on it, so this is really a test video. Here's the radiator supports. I sandblasted the driver's side support. Here's a video. I have a Harbor Freight blast cabinet. That's what I was using. I also blasted the bolt heads. They're not on the video, but I do have a picture of them before and then after they were blasted. And then I brass coated them, and then I installed the radiator support. You can tell me what you think in the comments if you like how it looks once it's actually installed. I really don't like it. Probably gonna do something else. So yeah, tell me what you think, or tell me what you think about the video. Here's a air cleaner. I blasted it also and just painted it. The end.